How to add a timeline in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add a timeline. Once inside the project, look at the bottom section of the screen where you will find the Edit Page tab. Click on it to enter the editing workspace. Next, move your attention to the media pool located in the top left corner. Right-click inside the media pool area and you will see an option called Create New Timeline. Click on that to start setting up your timeline. After clicking Create New Timeline, a window will appear allowing you to name your timeline. You can also choose to use custom settings or leave the default settings as they are. This includes options like timeline resolution and frame rate, which should ideally match your project's need. Once you have named your timeline and confirmed the setting, click Create and your new timeline will appear in the media pool. Now you can drag and drop your media clips onto the timeline for editing. If you want to add more timelines within the same project, just repeat the same steps. This is useful when you are working on different scenes or versions and want to keep everything organized. Additionally, you can manage timelines easily from the media pool by right-clicking any timeline to rename, duplicate, or delete it, giving you more control over your project structure. And that's it. Now you know how to add a timeline in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.